We are on the Dawson River, about 8 or 10 k's west of Moura, which is sort of up mid Queensland, not on the east coast, but
it's actually in Queensland,
closer towards the east coast. So we're just having a bit of paddle in our inflatable kayak. And there's a boat coming, so we're probably about to get run over by a boat, so I better keep paddling. Looks like we have a bit of a tree graveyard over here. We're guessing this is a weir of some sort. Probably spying the water from Moura, who knows. Crows are pretty noisy today. Peter's not really working that hard today. She's having a...
trying to not wet the camera.
Trying to not wet the camera. I have to remember that one. That's a good one. Now, for all you kayaking experts, and we're most certainly not in that club, you'll notice that Peter's paddle and therefore my paddle are actually up the right way today. And it's funny, but it's actually easier to row. Makes sense. Now up ahead there's a bridge over the Dawson River, and that's the Dawson Highway. And over my left shoulder, a fair way away, is the Dawson Range. So sooner or later we need to find out who this Dawson dude is. He seems to be pretty popular around here, he or she. When we find out, we'll let you know.